Hey everyone, today I've got a wild story for you about Macy's. You know that massive department store chain? Well, get this. One employee managed to hide $154 million in expenses over nearly 3 years. Yeah, you heard that right. One person. So how did this all go down? This employee made false accounting entries related to small package delivery costs. I mean, talk about creative accounting. Imagine sneaking in $154 million and hoping no one would notice. That's like trying to hide an elephant in a closet. Now this discovery has forced Macy's to delay its quarterly earnings report from November 26th to December 11th. Not exactly great news for them. And it's raising some serious eyebrows about their auditing practices. I mean, how do you miss something like that? But just to put things in perspective, this $154 million is a small fraction of Macy's overall $4.36 billion in delivery expenses from Q4 2021 to now. Still, it's a hefty chunk of change. Macy's insists that their cash flow and vendor payments are unaffected, but investors are understandably jittery. Speaking of investors, Macy's stock, which was already down nearly 20% this year, took another hit and fell 3% after this news broke. Ouch. Analysts are worried about investor confidence, and you can see why. Preliminary earnings show a 2.4% drop in quarterly sales to $4.7 billion. Not great, but it's not all bad news. Bloomingdale's and Bluemercury, which are part of the Macy's family, saw sales increases of 1.4% and 3.2%, respectively. So, there's a silver lining. In response to all this, Macy's is closing several stores as part of a revitalization strategy. They recently rejected a takeover bid and are focusing on their own turnaround plan. Let's hope it works out for them. Now let's have a bit of fun with this. Imagine the audacity of one person going up against a retail giant like Macy's. It's like David versus Goliath, but with spreadsheets. And calling this an accounting error is like calling the Grand Canyon a little ditch. Maybe this employee just got a little carried away with their employee discount, or maybe they're the hide-and-seek champion of the corporate world. Either way, it's a story for the ages. So what do you think? Is this just a blip on the radar for Macy's, or a sign of bigger issues? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy business stories. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.